Hi, I'm Nick, Certified Financial Planner with Betterment, and today we're going to talk all about 4 things that you need to look at when evaluating a potential company's 401k plan. When you're evaluating a company's 401k, there's really 4 factors that you need to look at. The first is the employer match. Typically, employers can match up to a certain percent of your salary, and the higher the employer match, the better the 401k plan. The second thing you should look at is the fees. Every 401k plan is going to have fees, but some can be significantly higher than others. An industry average is around 1%, but they can be as high as 2% or even more. Keep in mind that sometimes your employer will actually pay the fees for you, which is a great benefit. The third thing to look at when evaluating a 401k is the tax options. A lot of companies nowadays will have a Roth 401k in addition to a traditional 401k. And that's great because it gives you the flexibility to save money pre-tax or after tax, depending on your situation. The last thing you should look at when evaluating a 401k is the investment choices themselves. Here, I would focus more on quality instead of quantity. As long as you have enough choices to create a well-diversified portfolio, that's all you really need. Don't make it more complicated than it has to be. I tend to favor lower cost index funds and ETFs. And if you have any other questions about your 401k or other types of investing or tax planning that you're doing, you can always go to betterment.com and check out our resource center.